Okay guys, we have some practice here. So the task is ask the user to enter the city he/she lives in, store it in the variable city, print the sentence I live in the city of something to the terminal. Replace the dots, means these dots, with the content of the city variable. So it means we will ask the user where do you live or something like that. His answer or her answer will be something like London, and we need to print the sentence I live in the city of London. Okay. So now you can pause the video and you can do it by yourself, and I will start as well. So I will create the city variable, so it means store in the variable city. Okay, so I will ask the user, we can use input and ask something like what city do you live in, for example, or something like that. Maybe space will be good. And we need to print, again we will use f string because it's a modern way how to connect string and the variable together. And the answer will be I live in the city of, so I live in the city of, and the dots we need to replace by the city. Okay, so it means we write the city here, and we need to run it and we will see how it works. Okay, what city do you live in? London, and the result is I live in the city of London. Okay, great. So this is the solution.